I've booked over 1,200 calls for myself and my clients on LinkedIn, and it took me over 18 months to learn how. But today, I'm going to give you the shortest LinkedIn course in existence. No fluff, no theory, just the exact 5-step process we use to book calls. So now you can implement this entire system in the next 24 hours. And if you think I'm being dramatic, this is the exact system that helped one of our clients book in 40 calls in 40 days. So if you're ready to actually start booking calls in, instead of watching another guru tell you to post daily content, let's get straight into it. The first step is the foundation of everything. Do not get this wrong, otherwise literally nothing else matters. Step 1 is pick your ideal client profile or your ICP. Now, most people target everyone and get nowhere. This is a brutal mistake to make. Your potential client needs to know that you help them and exactly them. And the way you do that is by choosing a specific ideal client profile that lives on LinkedIn. So an example is that instead of saying that you help business owners, say you help 7-figure SEO agencies. Now, niching down to a single ICP may feel like you're turning away business, but in fact, you're actually increasing your conversion rate on that ICP, which makes you a lot more money. Now, you can find your perfect ICP in 2 ways. So way 1, if you already have clients, look at who your best existing clients are and identify what is the smallest group that they belong to. Now, that's your ICP. Now, way 2 is you can look at an established good competitor on LinkedIn. Who are they targeting? What does it look like they've learned? And what does it look like they have narrowed down and niched down to? Pick that ICP. Once you know who you're targeting, here's the secret sauce that makes them actually want to engage. Now, this is step 2, pain point content. First, you're going to identify your ICP's biggest pains. You can do this by simply talking to them or asking ChatGPT if you don't know anyone. And you're going to be asking them these 3 specific questions. So question 1, what have you been working on this week? This tells you their immediate pains because they're solving these problems right now. Question 2 is, what do they need to do but they haven't been able to do this week? This tells you they're difficult to solve pains, the stuff that they're putting off. And then what's the biggest problem they're trying to solve in their business? This tells you their overarching pain. This is the thing that keeps them up at night. Now, you're going to write posts about these pains. And in these posts, you're going to describe exactly the pain they have. You're going to simplify their pain. And you're going to give them solutions to those pains. Now, you might think that's only 3 posts. There's only 3 questions. Not true. The best content says the same thing in hundreds of different ways. So you need to find different ways to say the same thing. So you can make it a how-to post, a carousel post, an infographic post, a case study post. I personally have a 3-4-5 content framework, which I use to taxonomize the whole of LinkedIn content, and it helps me come up with loads of winning posts for my clients. Now, let's imagine you've created posts, you've published them, and if you've had a good hook, it gets some impressions. Now, here's where 90% of people mess up. They miss one of the most powerful post types on LinkedIn. It's the post type that can make you go viral on demand. So this is step 3, creating viral lead magnets. A lead magnet is a valuable resource that your ICP would love to get their hands on. Something so good that they would even pay $100 for it. But we're not going to make them pay for it. Instead, we're going to give it away for free. Well, not really for free. We're going to give it in a way in exchange for something. So good ideas of lead magnets are things like guides, templates, scripts, calculators, spreadsheets, anything that helps them solve a pain point easily. You're then going to write a post that hooks them in, tells them what's inside that lead magnet, and ask them to comment to get to it. Now, the commenting is the exchange. When they comment for it, something really interesting happens. It fuels the LinkedIn algorithm. LinkedIn sees that as a signal for a good post. So then LinkedIn shares that post to more people. That's more people who then comment. And before you know it, hundreds of people are commenting on your post and it's going viral. Every week I'm posting over 30 lead magnets across client accounts and we're consistently going viral. So we have lots of data on what's working. Now the next step is getting more of your ICP to see that content. Now this is step 4, automated connection system. You can actually control who sees your content, not by manually sending them a post link, but by sending them connection requests. Every week you can send 100 to 200 connection requests on LinkedIn. Now you could do it manually, but that would take you forever. So I suggest you use an automation tool. And the best automation tools allow you to simply copy and paste a URL search you've done in LinkedIn Sales Navigator or upload a CSV list, and it will automatically connect to everyone for you without risking your account getting banned. Now I've personally use lots of automation tools and I've linked my favorite one down below because it's the fastest one to set up and it has the best UI UX interface. Now when you automate your connections, there's something very important I want you to know. Only send a blank connection request. Don't say anything. in the connection note. This way you can get anything from a 30 to a 60% acceptance rate. If you want to increase your acceptance rate, you can do two things. One, you can improve your profile so you look more appealing, or two, you can improve your lead list. And the quickest way to improve your lead list is to use a filter on Sales Navigator that says posted on LinkedIn. This gives you the most active profiles in your initial list of people who've been posting on LinkedIn and are therefore more likely to be able to even see your connection request and therefore accept it. And finally, the step that turns everything into revenue, this is step 5, the DM sales system. Most revenue on LinkedIn isn't actually made from content. Content is just what gets you attention, but what makes you money? It's the DMs. Here's the 4-step approach that you should follow. So the very first step is the opener, a personalized opener that shows that you're not automated. There's lots of things you can do in the opener, but here's what I suggest. Compliment them or show them that you are relevant and ask a simple question that they can answer. For example, awesome post, didn't know that ads work that way, how's the agency going? It's super simple, it's super clear, and it doesn't look automated. The next step is probe. Once you get a response, you want to ask questions and you want to probe for a pain point, and you shouldn't be direct in the thing that you sell. So instead of saying, hey, how's your ads going? I might say, hey, got an in-house creator? I'm trying to identify what their current situation is. And finally, qualify. When you see a pain point and you're positioned to help them, you need to understand how big that pain is for them right now. And you need to understand if they are a big enough business or they're qualified for you. So you need to ask them qualification questions. And then the final step is snatch the call. Offer to help them on a quick call. You could basically say, are you open to chatting? And don't send any times, don't send any links. When they say yes, when they agree to that, you can then send in your calendar. And if you follow this framework, you'll book in more calls. But if you want to book in loads more calls, here's another 3 simple steps to send better DMs. So 1, I want you to be conversational. Imagine you're speaking on WhatsApp or iMessage. 2, I don't want you to send any long paragraphs. I want you to send messages on multiple lines. So write a message, click enter, then write another message, and then click enter. I want to use softness, stuff like nice, awesome, cool, stuff that makes the conversation feel more natural. And that's it. That's everything you need to do in the DMs. And this is the world's shortest LinkedIn course. You can absolutely take this system and you can absolutely implement it for yourself. But if you want the complete A to Z blueprint, including all our templates, scripts, SOPs, I've put together a complete course for just $97 where I guarantee you'll book in at least 5 calls in your first 30 days. Click the first link in the description to get instant access. Or if you want to know exactly how small accounts generate multi 6 figures per month in revenue, check out the video here on the screen.